Let me show you how you can get Canva Pro for free. All right, let's go.
The first thing you do is to go to Chrome, Google Chrome. Okay, then you type Bingo Tingle. Yeah, this is it, Bingo Tingle. Then you search. Then this first one that comes out, you pick it, tap on it. So it's going to bring out this page. Just keep scrolling down to where you see this, how to use Canva. Okay, you tap on it. Okay, then you move down also to where you're going to see a free guide. Okay, so you're going to see this free guide, then you wait. You can see that you can get the file in 50 seconds. So you have to wait until this thing stops reading. Okay, then it's going to bring up download. Then you can download. Before you even do this, make sure that you have Canva installed in your phone, whether it's in your Android or your iPhone. Make sure it is installed and make sure you are logged in before you even come over to this place.
If you haven't liked this video at this point, please do that now. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to join this beautiful family.
Okay, so now that it's done, you can see download. So just tap on it. Okay, tap on it. So now you can see get here. Tap on get here. So this is it. It has loaded up for me. Now in order for you to check, this is my Canva Pro already. If you've done this already, then this is your Canva Pro. So if you want to check to be sure, you come here, these 3 lines here. Can you see? You see this place here? Just tap on it. Yes. Now you can see this is it. Themes. This was the one I had before. It's already free. It's already over a month, so it's no longer a pro. This is my personal account. Now this is this new one that I just got. Okay, so that's it. So you can go on and keep using your, if I check here now, you see, can you see welcome to Canva team? So you only see this when you pay for Canva Pro. Okay, so that's it. So guys, use this and keep enjoying editing.
Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Share this video to whoever you feel might need this content, and subscribe to join this awesome family. I'll see you on my other videos. Bye.